Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share some simple breastfeeding tips that can help make feeding easier and more comfortable for new mothers. Breastfeeding can take a little time to learn, so it's important to stay patient and relaxed. Every mother and baby take their own time to adjust. Start by choosing a comfortable position. Sitting with proper support or lying down in a relaxed way can help reduce strain on your body and make feeding smoother. Keeping your baby close to your body is very important. When the baby is properly aligned and facing you, it helps with a better latch and more effective feeding. A good latch makes a big difference. When the baby latches properly, feeding becomes more comfortable and helps avoid discomfort. Try to feed your baby when they show early signs of hunger. This can make feeding easier and help build a natural routine over time. Staying calm during feeding is also helpful. A quiet and relaxed environment can make the experience better for both you and your baby. Don't forget to take care of yourself as well. Drinking enough water, eating well, and taking rest whenever possible can support your overall well-being. With time and practice, breastfeeding becomes easier and more natural for most mothers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.